Hi everybody. Today I have my October Ipsy. I do remember that my add-on item was a small 4-pan eyeshadow palette, but the rest of the stuff I either don't remember or I didn't know. And the first thing I see outside of the bag is this brush from Swiss Glam. This is so pretty. It's like a highlighter or a blush brush, or I guess whatever you want to use it for. And has the two little gems on it. Okay. And here's the bag. It has this design on the front, and on the back it says "Your Magic." That's nice. Okay, so now on to what's inside of here. First thing I see is a highlighter from Ofra. I believe I've gotten one of these before. If it wasn't this exact one, it was one that was this size, but it had 3 or 4 different shades in it. But it looked just like this one. This one is called Blissful. Alrighty. I won't swatch it because, like I said, I have one and I have a lot of other highlighter too. But I'm sure it's pretty. The next is from Ariza Beauty. This is the tiny little eyeshadow palette that I chose. And this one is called the Astral Amethyst Shimmer eyeshadow palette. It has a picture on the back. So let's see what these colors look like. They're mostly purple, which is nice. If I can get it open. I do like purple. Okay. And here we are. The beige and the purple glitter shimmer. And let's try this pink shimmer. And the brown matte. Now let's see how they swatch. Okay, not bad. They're smooth and nice. Okay. And it came with a card. It says "Your Magic" on the card. And inside we have the list of all the products and the prices of the full-size item. Okay, so next up we have from Bobbi Brown, the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I had a sample of this before. I think it was from Sephora. And it's really rich. It's like a moisturizer and a primer. And I used it before, but I believe it caused me to break out. So I don't think I'll be using this one. But there it is. Has a nice light lemony smell. I won't swatch it because I'll give it to someone who can use it without breaking out. Okay, and then the last thing is from The Balm Will Powder. I love this sense of humor with this company. Okay, this is a blush, or blusher as they call it. So this is in the shade Stamina. Let's see what it looks like. I have to kind of tear the package open because it won't slide out. So let's see. I hope I'm not destroying it. There it is. Okay. Looks just like the outer package. Oh. That's a pretty color. And inside it says, I clean up nicely, and so can you. Please recycle this packaging. And it says clean beauty and green packaging. Alright, so let's see what stamina looks like. Swatched. It's a nice pink, but not too bright. There it is on my arm. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. Okay. Okay. So for the October Ipsy, I got Will Powder Blush from The Balm. The Astral Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow from Ariza. Got an Ofra highlighter in the shade Blissful. I got the Swiss Glam P40 round blush brush. Okay, blush brush to go with the blush. That's nice. and the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base Primer and Moisturizer. In the bag that says Your Magic. And that's everything that I got in the October Ipsy bag. Thanks for watching. Bye.